All right, so here is what I got on updating these published charts. So I have a chart here, and if I wanted to put this into a Google site like normal, I will click on my chart and get these three dots to bring up the menu, and then click Publish Chart. So the trick to this, to making so it will update and republish every time you make a change to the chart, is down here at the bottom. It says automatically republish when changes are made. Okay, so you got to make sure that's clicked. Then to put this on the Google site, you click embed, and you'll get this code in just like any other embed code. Copy that, and then go to your Google site and click the embed button, and then click the code like normal. Paste it in, next, blah blah blah, all that stuff. So I got we have the chart here, insert. So now the chart is in. Okay, we'll go ahead and publish it. So the site will now, I'm going to view the published site. So here's the site. The data is published. To update the data and have it republish, if you change anything over here, so now I'm going to put dogs 25. It changes the thing. So that will automatically republish. Now the trick to this is you're not going to actually see that. You can reload this 100 times. You're not going to actually see that update on this published chart for about 5 minutes. So I did some digging around in the documentation for how this works, and whenever that code hits, it only checks it every 5 minutes or so, or at least it takes 5 minutes for the changes to be made. So the publishes will be live when they're done. So whenever an update happens, you do not have to go back in and republish the page on your own, but you will have to wait a few minutes for it to show up. So I waited about 5 minutes, and you'll see that the chart just updated. So I did reload the page, but right on the money, just about 5 minutes. So any change you make 5 minutes later should be reflected on your website.